Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in your Hyundai Tucson. First, let's cover some basic checks. Begin by inspecting your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can severely restrict airflow. It's generally recommended to replace this filter every 12,000 miles or once a year for optimal performance. Also, confirm that your AC system is actually switched on and the fan speed is set to a comfortable level. Pay attention to any strange sounds coming from under the hood when the air conditioning is running. Next, we'll investigate refrigerant levels and potential leaks. Low refrigerant is a very common culprit behind an underperforming AC system. You can use an AC manifold gauge set to accurately measure the high and low side pressures. A typical low side pressure should be around 30 to 40 psi, while the high side might range from 200 to 250 psi. Visually inspect all AC components for any oily residue or green dye, which are clear signs of a refrigerant leak. Now let's focus on the heart of your AC system, the compressor and its clutch. The compressor is responsible for circulating the refrigerant, which is essential for cooling. When you turn on your AC, carefully observe if the compressor clutch engages and spins. You should hear a distinct click and see it rotating. If the clutch does not engage, or if it makes grinding noises, it could indicate a problem with the clutch itself or the compressor, requiring further diagnosis. Finally, we'll examine the electrical system and offer some maintenance tips. Start by checking the AC-related fuses and relays in your vehicle's fuse box. A blown fuse can completely disable the system. Also, inspect all electrical connectors for any signs of corrosion or loose connections, as these can interrupt power flow. Remember, regular maintenance, such as annual system checks and timely refrigerant top-offs, can prevent many common AC issues and keep your Hyundai Tucson's cabin cool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.